How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easy method to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So for that, first of all, open Instagram app and then go to profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the three-line icon at the top right corner, scroll down and then open close friends. Here we can see there are the 6 people on the close friends. So let's select clear all and clear them from close friends to everyone and tap on done. Once done, you need to select the your story at the top left corner of the screen and add any story. And once you have done that, you need to simply select on your story at the top left corner or instead of close friends so that your Instagram story will be changed from close friends to everyone. So that is how we basically change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.